Good Wednesday morning. Happy Wednesday to you. Facebook, hopefully you're catching us live today. Coming on a little later than I normally do. I had training this morning. We have a weekly training on Wednesdays, which I've mentioned before, to help us become better service techs, and just teaches us how to provide a better service to our customers. So the question arose this last week, are your laundry hoses going to cost you big money? And we're going to go ahead and answer that today, and give you some helpful tips. So to set you up on why we came up with this live today is because in the past we've had a couple incidences where we've been called in by disaster companies saying that they had a flood, and we came in to fix the water, just to find out that it wasn't really the water that was having issues. It was a hose had ruptured. And I found out some very interesting facts on this last week. And so I'm going to give you the info I found out to try to help you with your laundry situation, to just ensure that everything's safe for you. So obviously, in our laundry rooms, on our washing machines, we have hoses that are connected to the laundry box. All right, and I found out this week that most of your laundries have rubber hoses, okay? And those are usually the ones that the appliance guys will bring with them, or they're ones that we can find at Ace Hardware or Home Depot or one of those places for fairly cheap. What I didn't realize